We're pleased to show you the 2018 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, air suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.